In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a post not showing on Craigslist. First, open your browser and go to the official site Craigslist.org and make sure to log in with your account. Once logged in, go to the My Account page and check the status of your post. It should show whether the post is active, pending, or deleted flagged. If your post is new, wait for a while because some ads can take several hours to appear in search results. If your post shows as active in your account but does not appear in search results, it may be ghosted. In that case, try creating a new post with a different title, fewer images, and avoid adding a phone number. Next, make sure your account is verified, since unverified accounts can sometimes trigger automated restrictions. Also, avoid posting too many ads in a short period, because overposting can trigger Craigslist's automated spam filters. If you are using a VPN, it might cause issues. Try disabling the VPN or switching to a different network. You can also try clearing your browser cache and cookies or open the site using incognito or private mode. Lastly, make sure your post was actually published. Check your drafts section to see if the post is still saved there and publish it if needed. And that's it. That's how you fix a post not showing on Craigslist.